Hello, welcome to Her Haven. Today, let's take a tour with my dragon fruit plants. So I have a tiny greenhouse and I'm in the Midwest, Wisconsin, USA. So this is the second year I try to grow my dragon fruits. And this is as far as it gets every summer. It just isn't long enough and it gets to the top of this trellis and that's it. So at the end of last garden season, I moved the dragon fruit bucket or plants inside. I have 4 and this is what it looks like right now in February. As for the greenhouse, it is way too cold here in the Midwest and this is why I had to move these inside. I think these roots will survive for me to move it back outside. You can see here that I'm having to start cutting the top off because they began to dry up. I think these plants are pretty much go dormant at this point. Nếu giờ cô try cho nè tí dragon fruit nữa cho luôn mong chờ tí răng nó tới mà nhớ bé răng nó chỉ nó chỉ lúc chỉ tàu lúc gì là số. Has anyone in the Midwest grow these and produce fruit? I'd like to hear how you did it. Stay tuned for updates. See you soon.